Let's start with bitter cola. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare this natural antibiotic for your livestock, your chicken, your Instead of buying expensive antibiotics, you can prepare this yourself at home, and it is very effective. So stick around. Don't skip any part of this video. I want you to see every step of the process. This right here is bitter cola, the same one we all know. Stay with me to the end of this video. First, get a handful of bitter cola just like this. Then peel all of them. Take your time and remove the outer covering completely. After peeling, cut them into small pieces. Small pieces like into smaller pieces like this, get an empty bottle. Now put all the cut pieces in till it is full. Fill it completely. Full. Fill it completely. Then cover the bottle tightly. Now allow this mixture to sit. Keep it somewhere safe in your house, in your kitchen, or even in your garden area. Let it stay like this for several days or even a few weeks. This soaking process is very important. After that, when it is ready, you can start using it. Measure about 25 milliliters and mix it into 1 liter of drinking water for your farm animals. This works very well as a natural antibiotic. It is good for livestock, chicken, poultry, dogs, goats, rams, and even cows. For smaller animals, you can use between 2 to 5 milliliters in 1 liter of water. Mix it very well.